Hi guys. In this review we will tell about the history of the Soviet car ZAZ 965. ZAZ 965 is a Soviet-made passenger car, which belonged to Class A and was manufactured from 1960 to 1963, 965A from 1962 to 1969. For 9 years, just 322,166 copies, including its modifications, have been rolled off the assembly line. From the earliest years, the car was very well perceived by buyers and did not receive any serious complaints. Quite well, Zaporozhets has proven itself when driving in villages or on bad roads. A smooth bottom, independent suspension on all four wheels, as well as a large load almost 60 on the drive wheels contributes to a high passability indicator. By the way, the fact that Zaporozhets even stuck in a swamp or snow did not create special problems for its passengers is interesting, because even two people could easily pull out a car that weighed only 665 kilograms from captivity. By the way, Zaporozhets was also different in that it could drive without problems between rough ruts left on the roads by trucks. This could not be any car. The owners of the Humpback loved him not only for good maneuverability and durable body due to only 2 doors, but also for efficiency, as well as an easy-to-repair engine. Among the drawbacks of the ZAZ were high engine noise and poor soundproofing of the cabin, opening the doors in the opposite direction, as well as the location of the gas tank in the front, which was very dangerous in case of a collision. Some car owners spoke negatively about the power, which is clearly not enough. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See you soon, folks.